Hi, I'm Jake from Northside Custom Crafts, and today I'm part 2 of the miter station build. We're going to turn this into this. Stick around, check out the video. So here we are with part 2. Part 1 was pretty fun to make, and it was a pretty daunting task. If you missed it, there'll be a card right up there. Go check it out. And in this video, we're going to be doing the drawer faces, which I've already cut these to width, and they're continuous grain, all of them. And we're going to do that. I'm going to do the top and the stop block, and I hope you enjoy. Here we go. I made this little jiggy here to make life easier when I'm putting these door handles on. I'm about to show you how it works. I've already marked the center of these boards right there. You line that mark up with the center right here. Put you a little clampy on there. Drill some holes. And there you have it. Now I just do that 25 more times. here it is, part 2 is done. We're pretty proud of it. Part 3 is going to be a follow-up video. You can ask me why I did something or whatever. Just leave it in the comments below. These sayings on the drawer fronts is just stuff I picked up over the years. I preach it to my kids, and I preach it to people at work on a daily basis. Sorry, guys. There's going to be links to buy the plans below. If this is the first time you've seen one of my videos, go ahead and subscribe so you can come back and see me. Rate, comment, share, all that stuff, and we'll see you next time. So here it is, part 2 is done. We got freaking lawnmowers going. It's like they're trying to mow my shop. Every time. And I have 50,000 screwdrivers until I want one. And then it's like, nope, you don't have any screwdrivers. Ready? This is gonna be the try not to bend over too far for the camera and get a load of this action right here. Golly, I haven't drilled any of the holes. Yeah, he did it, and he's my size. Huh? He looks short? I'm gonna kick your